Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the concat operator. So this is of type join operator. So it is used to join two observables and create a new observable. How this concat operator works is creates an output observable which sequentially emits all values from the first given and then moves on to the next. What this means is it is an operator which takes a number of observables and it gives or it emits the values one after the other. So let's see the marble diagram for it to better understand it. So this is one of the observable and this is another one. So what you see below is first this observable gets completed and only then this particular observable values are emitted. Let's see that in example. So in this, I'm first importing all the required operators and then I am creating one observable using the interval operator and taking only the first 10 values. And then second observable which has a delay of 2 seconds and it only taking the 6 values, and again creating a new interval with 500 millisecond interval and taking only the 10 values. So what would happen if I concat all these? So to figure out how many times or how many values are emitted, I've created a counter variable. So as you can understand, 10 plus 6 plus 6, so that would be 26 values which would be emitted over a period of time. What that period of time would be like? For this interval, it would emit 10 values with an interval of 1 second. For this one, it emits 6 values in an interval of 2 seconds. And this one emits 10 values in an interval of 500 milliseconds, like half a second. So as you can see, counter is 25 and it started from a counter of 0. What that means is total 26 values were emitted. Now, this explains us that this particular observable got completed. How do you understand that? So these are the actual values 0, 1, 2, 3. So after 9, you would see it starts back from 0 and it would go up till 6. Oh, sorry, up till 5. So it will go up till 5. And then again, for this one interval, it will take up till 9. What we understood from this example is if we have multiple observables and we want to concat all this or we want to combine all this into one observable and make sure that one observable completes and only then the next observable gets executed or the values emitting start, then we can use this kind of operator. Let's see one more example. So what I'm trying to do over here is that I'm trying to have two observables. One is authenticate user, which just authenticates and with a delay of 1 second, and another one with fetch data, which has a delay of 1500 milliseconds. What I'm doing over here is that I'm concatenating these two observables, and then what we will see is we are able to get the user authenticated and then database. So with this, we understand that concat operator works in a fashion wherein it takes two or more observables and it emits the value. One thing to note over here is that if first observable completes, only then it goes to the next operator. Let's try to see a scenario wherein the first observable throws an error actually. So let me use the throw error operator and it would give me a message. So I would say authentication failed. So what would happen is I would not get any bot. Why? Because I'm not catching the error. Let me catch the error. Console.log or console.error. So what we learned from this one is that the first observable throws an error, because of which even the second observable. This is a good example to consider wherein a user is trying to authenticate themselves and let's say they have failed. So we should not call the other API, which is supposed to be called only when a user has successfully signed in. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, happy coding.